HR applications of artificial intelligence, resume screening and employee analytics. Dr. Gudipati Srinivasa Rao. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming human resource management, HRM, by automating routine processes, improving decision-making, and enhancing workforce productivity. In the domain of commerce and management, AI-powered HR systems help organizations attract, select, retain, and develop talent more efficiently. Two major applications of AI in HR are resume screening and employee analytics. 1. AI in resume screening. 1.1 Introduction. Recruitment is a critical function of HRM. Traditional resume screening is time-consuming, subjective, and prone to bias. AI-powered recruitment systems automate the screening process by analyzing large volumes of resumes quickly and accurately. 1.2 How AI resume screening works. AI-based recruitment systems use natural language processing (NLP) to understand resume content. Machine learning (milliliter) to match candidate profiles with job descriptions. Keyword extraction and AMP semantic analysis to identify skills, experience, and qualifications. Applicant tracking systems (ATS) to rank and shortlist candidates. The system scans resumes, compares them with job requirements, assigns a relevant score, and generates a shortlist for recruiters. 1.3 Key features. 1. Automated resume parsing. 2. Skill-based candidate ranking. 3. Bias reduction through structured evaluation. 4. Predictive matching based on past hiring data. 5. Chatbots for candidate engagement. 1.4 Benefits. Saves time and recruitment cost, reduces human bias when properly designed. Improves quality of hiring, enhances candidate experience, enables data-driven hiring decisions. 1.5 Challenges. Algorithmic bias. If training data is biased, over-reliance on keyword matching, privacy concerns regarding applicant data, lack of transparency in decision-making. 1.6 Example. Companies like IBM and LinkedIn use AI-driven recruitment tools to match candidates with job opportunities based on skills and career patterns. Blank, _ blank. 2. AI in employee analytics. 2.1 Introduction. Employee analytics, also called people analytics or workforce analytics, refers to the use of data analysis techniques to understand and improve workforce performance. AI enhances employee analytics by providing predictive and prescriptive insights. 2.2 Types of employee analytics. 1. Descriptive analytics. What happened? E.g., turnover rate. 2. Diagnostic analytics. Why did it happen? 3. Predictive analytics. What will happen? E.g., predicting attrition. 4. Prescriptive analytics. What should be done? 2.3 Applications. Performance evaluation and productivity measurement, predicting employee attrition, workforce planning and succession planning, training needs assessment, employee engagement analysis through sentiment analysis. 2.4 Technologies used. Machine learning algorithms, predictive modeling, data visualization tools, sentiment analysis of employee feedback, behavioral analytics. 2.5 Benefits. Improves talent retention strategies, enhances employee satisfaction, identifies high-performing employees, supports strategic workforce planning, enables evidence-based HR policies. 2.6 Ethical considerations, data privacy and surveillance concerns, informed consent of employees, transparency in AI-driven evaluations, avoiding discriminatory practices. 3. Strategic importance of AI in HR. AI in HR aligns workforce management with organizational goals. It transforms HR from a support function to a strategic partner by enhancing decision-making accuracy, improving operational efficiency, supporting diversity and inclusion initiatives, enabling real-time performance tracking. In commerce and management education, understanding AI-driven HR systems is essential for future managers to leverage technology responsibly and effectively. 4. Conclusion. AI applications in resume screening and employee analytics significantly improve recruitment efficiency and workforce management. While AI offers speed, accuracy, and predictive power, ethical implementation and human oversight remain critical. The future of HR lies in a balanced integration of human judgment and artificial intelligence technologies. If required, I can also prepare short question and answers, case study, diagram-based explanation, 10-15 Mark University examination answers, PPT-ready content for classroom delivery, more content, HR applications of artificial intelligence, resume screening and employee analytics, extended content for textbook. Artificial intelligence, AI, is redefining human resource management, HRM, by integrating automation, predictive analytics, and intelligent decision systems into workforce management. In commerce and management, AI-driven HR practices enhance strategic talent acquisition, performance management, and long-term organizational development. AI in resume screening. 1. Concept and evolution. Resume screening traditionally involved manual evaluation of applications, which was time-consuming, subjective, cost-intensive, prone to unconscious bias. AI-powered recruitment systems now automate screening by analyzing resumes using machine learning models trained on historical hiring data. Early applicant tracking systems, ATS, focused only on keyword matching. Modern AI systems use semantic search, contextual understanding, skill graph mapping, behavioral prediction. Companies such as IBM and Microsoft integrate AI-based talent acquisition tools into enterprise HR platforms. 2. Technical process of AI resume screening. The AI resume screening process generally follows these steps. Step 1. Resume parsing, extract structured data, education, skills, experience. Converts unstructured resumes into standardized format. Step 2. Skill mapping, compares extracted skills with job description requirements, identifies both explicit and implicit competencies. Step 3. Candidate ranking, assigns a match score, uses predictive analytics to estimate job success probability. Step 4. Automated communication, chatbots conduct initial interviews, automated emails update candidate status. 3. Advanced applications. Predictive hiring. AI predicts future job performance based on past hiring success data, psychometric indicators, behavioral analytics. B. Video interview analysis. AI tools analyze facial expressions, voice tone, speech patterns. Note: this application raises ethical concerns regarding fairness. C. Diversity hiring optimization. AI systems are programmed to reduce bias by removing gender indicators, ethnicity clues, personal identifiers. However, algorithmic bias may still occur if training data is biased. 4. Strategic advantages: reduces hiring cycle time, improves talent quality, enables large-scale campus recruitment, supports global recruitment operations, enhances employer branding. 5. Limitations and risks: over-filtering qualified candidates, dependence on historical data, legal challenges in discriminatory outcomes, transparency issues, black box. AI organizations must ensure compliance with labor laws and data protection regulations. 2. AI in employee analytics, people analytics. 1. Concept of employee analytics. Employee analytics refers to systematic data-driven analysis of workforce behavior, performance, and engagement using AI technologies. It shifts HR from intuition-based decision-making to evidence-based management. 2. Types of analytics in HR. 1. Descriptive analytics, turnover rates, attendance records, performance ratings. 2. Diagnostic analytics, causes of employee exit, performance gaps. 3. Predictive analytics, attrition prediction models, burnout detection. 4. Prescriptive analytics, recommends training programs, suggests retention strategies. Companies like Google use people analytics extensively to improve team productivity and employee satisfaction. 3. Key applications. A. Attrition prediction. AI identifies employees likely to leave by analyzing work patterns, engagement surveys, promotion history, compensation trends. B. Performance management, real-time KPI tracking, automated appraisal support, objective productivity measurement. C. Learning and development, personalized training recommendations, skill gap analysis, career path prediction. E. Workforce planning, forecasting manpower demand, succession planning, talent pipeline development. 4. AI technologies used in employee analytics, machine learning algorithms, deep learning models, natural language processing, for feedback analysis. Sentiment analysis, predictive modeling, big data analytics. 5. Ethical and legal considerations. AI-based employee monitoring raises important concerns: data privacy and surveillance, consent of employees, transparency in algorithmic decisions, risk of workplace discrimination. Organizations must balance efficiency with ethical responsibility. 3. Integration of AI with HR information systems, HRIS. AI is increasingly integrated into HR software systems such as talent management systems, payroll and compensation systems, learning management systems, performance appraisal platforms. This integration ensures seamless workforce data flow and real-time insights. IV. Impact on HR professionals. AI does not replace HR managers but transforms their role from administrative to strategic. Future HR professionals must develop data literacy, analytical skills, ethical AI awareness, strategic decision-making ability. V. Future trends in AI-driven HR, AI-powered virtual HR assistants, blockchain-based credential verification, emotion AI in workplace engagement, hyper-personalized employee experience, integration with metaverse work environments. VI. Conclusion. AI applications in resume screening and employee analytics are revolutionizing HR management in commerce and corporate sectors. They enhance efficiency, accuracy, and strategic workforce planning. However, ethical governance, transparency, and human oversight are essential to ensure fair and responsible AI adoption.